Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView step by step. TradingView is a robust online platform designed for comprehensive financial market analysis, offering advanced charting and technical tools. To begin, simply visit the website or download the desktop application, available for various operating systems. Once logged in, navigate to the Supercharts section to access your primary charting interface. This central area is where all your market analysis will take place, providing a clear view of price movements. Now, let's dive into the charting essentials. You can quickly select any financial instrument, like stocks or cryptocurrencies, using the search bar at the top. To change your perspective, adjust the time frame from a 1-minute view to a 1-month overview. TradingView offers over 21 chart types, such as candlesticks or line charts, to suit your analytical style. You can also enhance your charts by adding from over 400 built-in technical indicators, like moving averages, to spot trends. Moving on to more advanced analysis, TradingView provides over 110 smart drawing tools, including trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, located on the left toolbar. These are crucial for marking patterns and support levels. You can also create personalized watch lists to track dozens of assets simultaneously, displaying essential data like last price and daily change. Furthermore, set up flexible alerts using 13 built-in conditions, or even directly from your chart drawings, ensuring you never miss a critical market move. Finally, let's talk about personalizing your TradingView experience. You can customize nearly every aspect of your charts, from background colors to candlestick appearance, to match your preferences. Save your unique chart layouts and indicator templates for efficient future use. Beyond personalization, tap into the vibrant TradingView community. Explore over 100,000 community-built indicators and strategies, share your trading ideas, and learn from millions of other traders worldwide, fostering a collaborative environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.